Comparing properties on Zillow involves evaluating similar homes to determine an accurate market value for a property of interest. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it effectively. Log in and search. Access the Zillow website and log in with your credentials. Enter the address or location of the property you want to evaluate in the search bar. View property details. Click on the property listing to view its details, including features, square footage, and number of bedrooms or bathrooms. Find comparable sales. Scroll down to the price history and tax history section. Click on nearby similar sales or similar homes to view recently sold properties in the area. Apply filters. Use filters to narrow down the search results to properties that are similar in size, condition, and location. Adjust filters for specific criteria such as sale date range, property type, and price range. Analyze comparable properties. Compare the sale prices of similar properties to the property you're evaluating. Consider factors like proximity, lot size, upgrades, and amenities. Adjust for differences. Make adjustments for variations in features, upgrades, and condition between the comparable properties and your target property. Use Zillow's Prices Home feature to help calculate adjustments. Evaluate market trends. Consider current market trends and conditions affecting property values in the area. Document findings. Take notes on your findings and calculations to support your valuation.